All right, today we're going to be continuing to look at division. Today we're going to look at division using repeated subtraction. So, as you know, division is the opposite of multiplication, just like addition is the opposite of subtraction. So if I have 3 times 2, I draw my 3 circles, I put 2 in each circle, I count them all up, and I know that 3 times 2 equals 6. Well, I can turn that around with division and look at 6 divided by 3. I have those same 3 circles. I divide my 6 into those circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I have 2 in each circle. So 6 divided by 3 equals 2. Just the opposite. So we know that in multiplication we can use repeated addition. 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 plus 2 is 6. We can do the same with subtraction. So let's go ahead and try that out. So we have 20 divided by 5 equals blank. So to use repeated subtraction, I'm going to start with 20. I'm going to start with my larger number. And I'm going to be subtracting by my smaller number until I get to 0, because that's my ultimate goal. I want to get rid of them all. When I'm sharing, I'm getting rid of them all. So 20 minus 5 is 15. 15 minus 5 is 10. 10 minus 5 equals 5. And 5 minus 5 equals 0. Always remember to get to that 0. Sometimes we want to stop here, but we don't want to do that. We want to get to that 0. So now I'm going to count how many times did I subtract 5 to get to 0. 1, 2, 3, 4. I subtracted 4 times, so my answer is 4. Let's look at another problem. Let's look at a word problem. James had 36 oranges. He shared them with his 6 friends. How many oranges did each friend get? So my number sentence here is 36 divided by 6. I'm going to use the same strategy as before. I'm starting with my larger number, 36, and I'm going to subtract 6, my smaller number, until I get to 0. So 36 minus 6 is 30. 30 minus 6 is 24. 24 minus 6 is 18. 18 minus 6 is 12. 12 minus 6 is 6. And don't stop there. 6 minus 6 equals 0. So I got to 0. That's my goal. If I don't get to 0 with the numbers we're working with, probably means I made a mistake somewhere along the way. So let's count how many times we subtracted 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 36 divided by 6 equals 6. So let's look at our steps. First, you want to begin with your dividend, your larger number. Second, you're going to begin subtracting by your divisor, your smaller number, till you get to 0. Then you're going to count the amount of times you had to subtract, and that number is going to give you your quotient, or your answer. So another way to solve your subtraction problems.